Okay, so in this slide we'll discuss what is the information given by piping to all other disciplines. Let's start with process discipline. In process, piping gives PIN-ID markup. Whatever changes they make in model, they keep on marking in the PIN-IDs and they pass it to process team. They review it and approve. Also, process keep on asking for isometrics to finalize the line sizes, to finalize PSV sizes, control valve, etc. And also the utility distribution diagrams are prepared by piping and they pass it to process for their final approval and incorporation. For project team, they piping keep on giving input based on TDR, technical document register. All the deliverables which piping has to deliver, they keep on passing it to project team for their approval. And for civil, majorly they are looking for plot plan, keep on layout, and loading information. Like we have discussed in previous video, like process stress team prepares the loading information and they pass it to civil. Equipment supported platforms. Piping team finalize the location of equipment and their foundation locations. They pass that information to civil department. So based on this piping discipline, finalize the support location, equipment location. So these information they pass it to civil department. Also they finalize the underground piping network and they share with civil department to finalize the other civil requirements. At the same time, electrical department they are also looking for plot plan equipment from piping and to confirmation on electrical cable tray layout. They prepare some layout, cable tray layout, and they share it with piping and they finalize, mutually discuss these things and they finalize these things. Also, the input for heat tracing is given by piping discipline to electrical department. Same is with for HSE department. Broadband and 3D model is required from piping to health and safety department. They finalize their requirement based on those inputs. For procurement department, they are looking for technical requirements of piping items that is provided by piping team. Requisition for inquiry, purchase, technical bid evaluation, final vendor drawing reviews. All these information pass from piping to procurement, and they finalize, they review and finalize all this information. Say, also the for mechanical team is looking for another notation of static vessels from piping department, information for platform pipe clips. Sometimes piping department they support pipe on vessel using support clips. That information is passed from piping to mechanical. Again, all the vendor drawings which mechanical discipline receive from vendors, they pass it to piping department for their approval. They provide their comments and they pass it to mechanical department for their final approval. Similarly, for instrumentation, they are also looking for plot plan, vendor drawing review for piping, related instrument items, confirmation on instrument cable tray routing, isometrics with inline instruments. All this information is passed by piping to instrument and all other departments. So this kind of this way the information passed from each discipline to piping and piping to other disciplines.
So this is a list of fundas which we have already covered under a 2-minute funda series, where we are trying to cover the topic within 2 minutes. In few cases it is exceeding more than 2 minutes, but we are trying our best to cover it within 2 minutes. Okay, we have recently started this series under the same oil and gas funda knowledge sharing platform. Earlier we had covered our 14 topics along with 62 videos. Okay, now we have covered we have started this series 2-minute funda, and we have added more than 100 videos here. So into altogether we have more than 200 videos now. I'm sure you are watching it under standard and HD format along with the subtitles. Many more are on the way, so stay tuned. I'm sure you are enjoying the videos. So see you in the next part.